Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see send friend request on Facebook app. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Facebook application and click on profile picture on the top right. From top you simply need to scroll and click on settings and privacy. Here you need to click on settings, scroll down again, and in your activity you can see activity log. Click on that option, scroll down, and in connections you simply need to click on this arrow, and here you can see friends. Then you simply need to click on manage friends. So you simply need to click on this arrow first, and here you can see send friend request. So you can see all the requests that you send to the peoples. So this is the process by which you can see send friend request on Facebook app. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.